Turning to weather as we take a live look from Cape May. The beach may not be a bad place to be today, but tomorrow, another story. Llarisa joins us now once again with the Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Tomorrow, a whole different story. We are tracking just a mess of a Saturday, and here's why. We have this cold front that's draped across the interior northeast, particularly out towards the Midwest right now, the Ohio Valley. It's still not quite crossing into the northeast just yet, but this is going to couple with a system that's 2 hours south. Both of them come together, and that's what's going to set the stage for a mess. So I actually want to focus on tomorrow's storm with this little segment. Slippery roads are going to be an issue because we will notice a rapid temperature drop. The storm will start off mild, and then cold air will begin to rush in. So any standing water will pose an ice threat, and this goes for all neighborhoods in our viewing area. Extremely cold. Check this. Single-digit wind chills into Saturday night, into Sunday morning, and then on the backside of this disturbance, damaging wind gust with sustained winds coming in at around 30 miles an hour, but wind gust will be coming in at 45 miles an hour. Wouldn't be surprised if a wind advisory goes into effect later on today. But tomorrow, heavy rain will begin to move in. This is Saturday morning. Look at how quick it changes as colder air spills in. This is 7:30 in the morning, and a lot of our northwestern suburbs getting in on a really good thump of snow. We're tracking accumulating snow north and west. That will then transition to all snow as we approach late morning, and then the system's out of here by 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when winds start kicking up, and then colder air here as we round out the weekend on Sunday.
All right, thank you, Llarisa.
We're starting off your Thursday morning on a quiet, cool, and sunny note. But as we look ahead here to later this afternoon, cloud cover building for the region and rain back in the forecast for late tonight and tomorrow. But for now, you can grab the sunglasses and the hot coffee before you head out the door. You may want to grab a light jacket or sweater as well. We're starting off on a cooler note here for your Thursday. This is a live look at your Lewiston Auto camera from Assisi Heights, looking towards downtown Rochester. Seeing some quieter conditions here in our neck of the woods. We'll see some sunshine here the next couple of hours. Before that cloud cover off to our west kind of builds into our region here as we head towards later on this morning, and especially during the afternoon. And this is all ahead of our next weather system, which is conveniently positioned itself off towards the Dakotas right now, kind of just getting into western Minnesota there. It'll take its time, and it'll slowly work its way here to our neck of the woods here as we head into later on this evening, primarily on tap for overnight hours and into your Friday as well. But locally, temperatures on the cooler side into those low to mid 50s here this morning, with dew points into the upper 40s to low 50s. So pretty comfortable out there. But like I said, you're going to want to have that light jacket. Today, though, is going to stay on that seasonally cool side. Really just kind of a pleasant day. Some nice conditions to get outside. A little taste of almost like some early fall-like conditions. But rain chances back in the region as we head towards late tonight and into your Friday of this weekend, though, holiday weekend on tap. Beautiful conditions in store here for the region. As we time things out here, looking ahead with future track, we'll stay quiet throughout this morning. That cloud cover really kind of building in for the afternoon. I'd say most of today kind of dealing with a mix of sun and clouds, but especially off to our western edge, maybe looking at more clouds and sunshine throughout the day. As we head into the afternoon, then that cloud cover is still kind of hanging over our area as that next weather system really starts to knock on our doorstep just off towards the west. So by that dinner time hour, I'm thinking most of us really looking to stay still dry at that point in time. But there's still maybe a few isolated showers off towards the western edge of our viewing area, towards along I-35 and especially to the west. By about midnight tonight, looking to see more of that shower activity becoming prominent across a good chunk of our area, especially as we head towards Friday morning and into the early afternoon, where things slowly begin to kind of taper off. So looking mostly at some scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two possible, but looking to see some pleasant rain here for the region. Really, things begin to dry up as we head into Saturday morning. Rain totals looking to stay mainly towards about a quarter to half of an inch, but there are some pockets that could pick up maybe upwards of about an inch or so, kind of indicated more with those blues. So certainly more rainfall on the way for your Friday, but as we look ahead into the weekend, the holiday on Monday, then looking to see some nice sunshine here for the region. Today, though, looking to see those temperatures into the low 70s, kind of seasonally cool with that mix of sun and clouds throughout much of the day. Winds will be light out of the southeast, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we check in here for tonight, we'll look to see some scattered showers, most likely after midnight tonight, but can't rule out a few early ones. especially off to the western edge with temperatures into the upper 50s. We'll see wet weather likely here for your Friday with temperatures only looking to be into about the mid 60s. So we'll be a bit chilly for your Friday, but temperatures warming back into those low 70s as we head to the weekend and early part of next week. Some nice sunshine. So if you do have outdoor plans or are wanting to make outdoor plans here for the holiday weekend, you're good to go. I give you the seal of approval.
We will take that. Thank you, Sarah. Ted is enjoying a day off today, but before he headed north yesterday for Target Field, he left behind a very special message for one of our viewers.
I want to take this opportunity to wish one of our most loyal viewers, Arland Shelley Shellstad, a very happy 90th birthday. Arland is a proud Korean War veteran and retired from the U.S. Army after 35 years of service to our country. Again, happy birthday to Shelley Shellstad from the Weather Authority.